Well, it's been a long time, almost a year, since I made a video. Some things have changed, some things haven't. Currently it's like -14 out, middle of winter. Gotten a lot done since my recent video of just sanding it down and everything, so I'll bring you guys on for a little update. I left off sanding this side of the truck, but so far I've got it down, it's all smooth, ready to be painted. The door also has been primed, ready to be painted. Everything's been wet sanded. The box is still in a work in progress, but I knew that would be the headache from the beginning. The interior, I have everything to put it back together. It is all ready to go. There's a new headliner. Everything is good to go. I just have to do sound deadening and carpet. This is the paint. It's metallic blue. So far I've got the cab done. There's some imperfections in it, and I didn't get all the dents out, but just give it time. I mean, the dents are fine, I don't care. I don't care about dents. But wet sand and buff, like it looks really good. But there's some spots like, where is it? Where's my finger? Right there, that I might have to redo. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet. Currently I'm getting the axle out and a leaf spring to get everything redone under there. The box is gonna be leaving so I can go do work on it somewhere else where it's warm. Currently I have some of the suspension torn out. I'm redoing everything again. I bought everything OEM, brand new shocks, brand new ball joints, brand new everything. All the pieces besides the lower control arms are coming out, and new bushings. It's gonna be like 1988 threw up on it already. Like it just came out the showroom floor. I went as far as to paint the door jambs. A little messy in there. As for the box, there was holes in there. I was able to patch up most of them. See, it still needs some body work. This isn't Bondo in here. It's like tacked in, but it's I have to figure it out, but really glazed over it. Now it just needs a lot of sanding and a lot of add. This is built up here. But for the project, I mean, I got everything on shelves over there. Interior pieces, everything. The leaf springs will be silver. The axle will be either silver or black. It's getting new shocks. I'm getting the aluminum drive shaft so I can polish it. The front suspension, the upper control arms will be silver. Everything is gonna be brand new and shiny down here. Like I said, like 1988. I'm going to redo the entire frame and coat it. I got the exhaust all welded up so I can go up to my headers finally. Right now it kind of just sits because it's cold as fuck out. It runs, it drives, it moves, all that happy horse shit. Doesn't stop, but got a new bumper over there, everything. Parts are scattered all throughout this place. So I'm getting new inner fender wells. And then of course I'll finish this project to match it once it's done. Yeah, there's a little update for you guys. Since TikTok is down and gone for a little bit, I figured I'd post an update video on here. There's a lot more that I want to do, but since it's so cold, I really don't care to get into all of it. But this will be one of many videos, hopefully. So thanks for watching, guys.